Good morning to all. Myself Ajan, Assistant Professor, Department of Civil Engineering, Kurovani College of Engineering and Technology. Course name of this video is Fire Safety Engineering. Today we see about assessment of damage to concrete, steel, masonry and timber structure. Assessing damage to concrete, steel or timber structure after a fire crucial for determining the extent of repairs needed and ensuring the safety and integrity of the building. Assessing damage to each type of structural material. First one is concrete structure, visual inspection, spalling. Under visual inspection, spalling and cracking and discoloration are checked. Look for surface cracks which can be superficial or extend deeper into the concrete. Pay attention to wide or irregular cracks. Spalling. Check for areas where the surface has peeled or flaked away, exposing the underlying reinforcement. Then discoloration. Note any unusual discoloration that might indicate overheating or chemical reactions. The non-destructive testing. Rebound hammer test. This is one of the tests for finding the concrete hardening strength. Measure surface hardness and can indicate changes in strength due to fire damage. Next one of the test is ultrasonic pulse velocity test. Assess the internal condition of concrete and can detect voids, crack and deterioration. Then destructive testing, core sampling. Extract concrete cores to evaluate compressive strength and assess internal condition and reinforcement. Then reinforcement assessment. Inspection of reinforcement. Check for rust, corrosion or damage to embedded steel bars. Corrosion can be identified by rust stains or loss cross-sectional area. Then steel structures. For steel structure, visual inspection, non-destructive testing, then strength testing, then protective coating assessment. These are the assessment for steel structure. First one, disc deformation. Look for warping, bending or distortion of steel members that indicate loss of strength. Then surface damage. Check for signs of discolored areas or lost protective coatings. Then non-destructive testing, ultrasonic radiographic testing. For radiographic testing, provide a detailed view of internal condition and weld integrity of the steel structures. Then strength testing, perform load test to determine if the steel can still support the required loads. Finally, we provide the protective coating. Check the condition of fire resistance and corrosion resistant coatings. Reapply or replace if necessary. Then assessment of masonry structure, visual inspection, then non-destructive testing, then destructive testing. These are the assessment procedure made in the masonry structure. Visual inspection means cracking, any cracks present in the masonry structures. The non-destructive testing, ultrasonic testing, assess the condition of masonry and detect internal voids and fractures. Then destructive testing, core sampling, extract sample to evaluate the quality of mortar and masonry units. Then timber structure, also visual inspection, non-destructive testing, then destructive testing, then assessment of connections. These are the assessment procedure made in the timber structure. First one, check for signs of charring, which reduce the strength of the timber. Deformation, look for warping, twisting or bending timber members. And surface damage, then inspect of bands, cracks or deterioration. Surface damage means inspect for bands, cracks or deterioration. The non-destructive testing means first of all that you measure the moisture content to assess potential for mold growth or further deterioration. Then density testing also made. Assess changes in density due to fire damage. Then assessment connections. Check the condition of joints and connection for signs of failure or weakenings. General steps for all materials. Documentation. Record the type and extent of damage with the detailed notes and photographs. Consultation with the expert. Work with structural engineers and fire safety expert to evaluate the damage and develop a repair plan.